everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on mathematical logic, lecture number 4, which will include laws of statements. Now we shall derive two important formula. Number 1, P implication Q equal to negation P disjunction Q. Number 2, P double implication Q equal to P implication Q conjunction Q implication P. We shall prove one by one. Number 1, P implication Q equal to S, let, and negation P disjunction Q equal to R. We shall prove this by framing truth table and by the relation equivalent truth table. P Q P implication Q negation P negation P disjunction Q S double implication R. Now we may write the truth values of P and Q as TT TF FT FF. Now P implication Q. In implication case we know that T F then F. Here we search TF. Here no TF, here TF, then F, here no TF. So others are T. Negation P. Negation P is just opposite to P. Here T, then here F. Here T, then F. Here F, then T. Here F, then T. Negation P disjunction Q. In disjunction case, 1T, then T. We take negation P here and Q here. 1T. We are getting 1T. Then T. Here no T. Here both T. Then T. Here 1T. Then T. Therefore it is F. Now S means P implication Q and negation P disjunction Q is R. Double implication, both same then T. Here both same, TT then T. Here both same, FF then T. Here both same, TT then T. Here both same, TT then T. Therefore it is a tautology. Hence P implication Q equal to negation P disjunction Q. Now we shall prove the formula 2. P double implication Q equal to P implication Q conjunction Q implication P. Let P implication Q equal to S, Q implication P equal to R, P implication Q conjunction Q implication P equal to U, and P double implication Q equal to V. Then we have to show that U double implication V. Since truth value of P and Q may be written as TT, TF, FT, FF. P implication Q. In implication case, we know that TF then F. So we find TF. Here no TF, here TF, then F. No TF, no TF, then here T. Q implication P. First we take Q, TF, no, TF, no, TF, yes. Then F, others are T. Now U equal to P implication Q conjunction Q implication P. Conjunction. In conjunction, both T then T. Both T here then T. Both T here then T. Otherwise F. V. P double implication Q. In double implication, both same then T. P and Q, both same. Then T. Both same. Here both same. Then T. Both are FF. Here both are TT. Otherwise, F. Now, U is P implication Q conjunction Q implication P, this side, and this is P double implication Q is V. Both side implication, double implication, both same then T, both TT then T, both FF then T, both FF then T, both TT then T. Therefore it is a tautology. It is a tautology. Therefore they are equivalent, that is equal. Here P double implication Q equal to P implication Q conjunction Q implication P. Proved. Now our problem is to show that P disjunction Q implication R and P implication R conjunction Q implication R are equivalent. Firstly, we consider that P disjunction Q implication R equal to capital R and P implication R conjunction Q implication R equal to capital S. Here we have three propositional variable P, Q, R. So for this we have to write the truth values as we write for here three variables. We write T, F, T, F, T, F. So we have to write here firstly T, 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 then T, T, F, then T, T, F, T, 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 F, then T, F, T, T, F, T, T, F, T, then T, F, F, T, F, F. So you have to follow this process. T, 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 first line, then T, T, F, then T, F, T, then T, F, F. Now we start from F. F, T, T, F, T, T, F, T, T, then F, T, F, F, T, F, F, T, T, F, T, F. Complete. Now F, F, T, F, F, T, F, F, T, then F, F, F. This is the rule for writing the truth values. Here we get 8 truth values. Now P disjunction Q. In disjunction 1T then T. 1T PQ. 1T then T. 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 Now FF. FF. P disjunction Q implication R. In implication T F then F. First we P disjunction Q we take here and R. T F no. T F yes. T T T F F TT, no, TF, F, otherwise T. Now P implication R, P implication R, P and R, TT, TF, then F, TT, TF, then F, no T here. So these are all T. Now Q implication R, here TT, QR, TF, then F, TF, then F, TTT, TT, TF, then F. These are F. So these are T. Now S. S means P implication R, conjunction Q implication R. In conjunction both T then T. P implication R and Q implication R. Both T then T. 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 Otherwise F. Now R double implication Q. In double implication both same then T. R S both same then T. 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 Both same TT then T. Therefore we get all T's. So it is a tautology. Therefore it is a tautology. Hence P disjunction Q implication R and P implication R conjunction Q implication R both are equivalent. Both are equivalent. Hence proved. Now we shall prove the laws of statement. Number one, commutative law. P disjunction Q equal to Q disjunction P. Number one. Number two, P conjunction Q equal to Q conjunction P. Now we frame the truth table. Here PQ, truth values are TT, TF, FT, FF. Disjunction, P disjunction Q. 1T then T. Here 1T then T. Here 1T then T. Here 1T then T. Remaining are F. Here Q disjunction P. Q disjunction P. 1T then T. Here 1T then T. Here 1T then T. Remaining is F. Now P disjunction Q double implication Q disjunction P. In double implication both same then T. Here both same TT then T. TT then T. TT then T. FF then T. So it is a tautology. Hence, P disjunction Q equal to Q disjunction P. Number 2, we have to prove P conjunction Q equal to Q conjunction P. Similar to 1, we have written truth values of P and Q. Now, P conjunction Q, in conjunction, both T then T, here both T then T. Here no, one T, F, FT, FF. So, only one T, remaining are F. Q conjunction P, Q conjunction P, both T, then P, T, both T, then T, here not both T, then F. In double implication, both same, then T, TT, then T, FF, then T, FF, then T, FF, then T. So, we get all T's. So, it is a tautology. Hence, P conjunction Q equal to Q conjunction P. Now, we shall prove the associative law. This is associative law for disjunction. P disjunction under bracket Q disjunction R equal to under bracket P disjunction Q disjunction R. Second number is P disjunction under bracket a conjunction, this is conjunction, P conjunction under bracket Q conjunction R equal to under bracket P conjunction Q conjunction R. Let number 1 P disjunction under bracket Q disjunction R equal to S and under bracket P disjunction Q disjunction R equal to capital R. Now we frame the truth table. As we know that for 3 variables here P, Q, R, we write TTT, TTF, TFT, TFF, FTT, FTF, FFT, FFF. Now we find Q disjunction R. In disjunction, one T then T. Here Q and R. One T. Here both T, then T. Here one T, then T. Here one T, then T. Here no T, then F. One T, two T, then T. Here one T, then T. Here one T, then T. Here no T, then F. Now S, P disjunction Q disjunction R, P, Q disjunction R. In disjunction, one T then T, here both T, then T. Here both T, then T. Here both T, then T. Here one T, left side, one T, then T. Here one T, here, then T. Here one T, then T. Here one T, then T. Here no T, then F. Now P disjunction Q, P disjunction Q. In disjunction, one T, then T. Both T, then T. Both T, then T. Here one 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 T, then T. Here no T, F, then F. P disjunction Q. Here one T, then T. Here one T, then T. Here no T, then F. Here P disjunction Q. P disjunction Q, one T, then T, 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 here one T, then T, here no T, then F, here no T, then F. R is P disjunction Q, disjunction R. P disjunction Q, disjunction R. Here both T, then T. Here one T, then T. Here both T, then T. Here one T, then T. Here both T, then T. Here one T, then T. Here one T, then T. Here one T, then T. Here both F, then F. Now S double implication R. In double implication both same, then T. Here both T, then T. Here both T, then T. 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 Both F, then T. So we get here in double implication we get all T's. So it is a tautology. Hence P disjunction under bracket Q disjunction R equal to P disjunction Q disjunction R. Number 2. Here let P conjunction under bracket Q conjunction R equal to S and P conjunction Q under bracket conjunction R equal to capital R. Similar to here PQR, we have written here truth values. Now conjunction case, Q conjunction R here. In conjunction both T then T. In conjunction both T then T, both T then T. Here one T only. No both T, no both T, no both T, both T, then T. No both T, no both T, no both T. These are F remaining, sir. S is P conjunction Q conjunction R. P here and Q conjunction R. Here both T then T, both T then T. Here no both T, 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 no both T. So these are F. Now P conjunction Q, P conjunction Q, both T then T, both T then T, one T, then F, one T, then F, one T, then F, one T, then F, both F, F, both F, F. Here R is P conjunction Q conjunction R. Here both T then T. Here only one T, F, only one T, F, only F, 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 only one T, F, 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 only one T, F, 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 F. Now S and R, double implication. In double implication both same then T, both same then T, both F, F, 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 then T. All values are T here. So it is a tautology. Hence P conjunction Q conjunction R equal to P conjunction Q conjunction R. Now we shall prove the distributive law. Number 1, P disjunction under bracket Q conjunction R equal to P disjunction Q conjunction P disjunction R. This is number 1. Number 2, here is in place of disjunction here conjunction and in place of conjunction here disjunction. So right side is P conjunction Q disjunction P conjunction R. Let P disjunction number 1, P disjunction Q conjunction R equal to S and P disjunction Q conjunction P disjunction R equal to capital R. This is capital R. Now we make the truth table. We know that truth values of PQR, TTT, TTF, TFT, TFF, FTT, FTF, FFT, FFF. Now Q conjunction R. In conjunction, both T then T. Here both T then T. Here no both one T then F. One T then F. FF then F. Both T then T. One T then F. One T then F. FF then F. Now S is P disjunction Q conjunction. In disjunction, one T then T. P here. P and Q conjunction. One T, both T, then T. Here one T, then T. Here one T, left side. T. Here left side T, then T. Here right side T, T. Here F, 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 F. Now P disjunction Q. In disjunction, one T then T. Here both T then T. Both T then T. One T then T. One T then T. One T then T. One T then T. Both F then F. Both F then F. P disjunction R. P disjunction R. Both T then T. One T left T then T. Both T then T. One T left T. Right T then T. F F then F. Here right T then T. F F then F. So we get this value. R, capital R, is P disjunction Q and P disjunction R. Here conjunction. In conjunction, both T then T. Here both T then T. Both T then T. Both T then T. Both T then T. Here both T then T. Here one T then F. One T then F. F F then F. Now S double implication R. Here in double implication both same then T. Here both same TT then T. 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 FF then T. FF then T. FF then T. So here in last column we get each truth value is T. Therefore it is a tautology. Hence P disjunction Q conjunction R equal to P disjunction Q conjunction P disjunction R. This is proved. Now second number. In second number we have assumed P conjunction Q disjunction R equal to S and P conjunction Q disjunction P conjunction R equal to capital R. We write the truth values of PQR in 3 columns. Here we get Q disjunction R. In disjunction, one T then T. Here both T then T. One T then T. One T then T. FF then F. Both T then T. One T left T. Right T. T. FF F. S. S is P conjunction Q. P conjunction Q disjunction R. Here is conjunction. In conjunction, both T then T. Both T then T. Both T then T. Here both T then T. Here T F F. F T F. F T F. F T F. F F F. Now P conjunction Q. In conjunction Q, both T then T. Here in this column, see. TT then T. TT then T. TFF, TFF, FTF, FTF, FFF, FFF. Now P conjunction R. In conjunction both T then T. P R. Both T then T. Both T. Here not both T. T F then F. Here both T then T. Here T F then F. Here F T. F T then F. Here F F F F T F F F F. Now R. R is P conjunction Q. P conjunction Q. Disjunction P conjunction R. Disjunction. Disjunction means one T then T. One T, both T then T. One T then T. One T then T. Both F F. 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 Now S double implication R. In double implication both same then T. Here S and R. Both T then T. Both T then T. Both T then T. Both F 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 then T. In last column we see that we get each truth value is T. So it is a tautology. Hence P conjunction Q disjunction R equal to P conjunction Q disjunction P conjunction R. Proved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.